Hey, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode where we help you make those oh-so-difficult purchasing decisions a tad bit easier. Today, we're diving into the world of resin 3D printers with two heavyweights battling it out, the ELEGOO Mars 4 and the ANYCUBIC 4K+. Grab your popcorn because this is going to be an epic showdown. Let's start with everyone's favorite topic, price. The ELEGOO Mars 4 will set you back a cool $309. Meanwhile, the ANYCUBIC 4K+ is a bit more wallet-friendly at $229. So if you're looking to save some dough for that extra-large pizza, ANYCUBIC's got your back. Now, let's talk screens. The ELEGOO Mars 4 is flexing with a 7-inch 9K LCD. That's 8520 by 4320 pixels of pure, unadulterated detail. It's like the IMAX of 3D printing. On the other hand, the ANYCUBIC 4K+ sports a 6.6-inch 4K plus monochrome LCD with a resolution of 4096 by 2560. Sure, it's not quite 9K, but it's still sharper than my mom's kitchen knives. Light sources, folks. The ELEGOO Mars 4 uses a COB UV light source with 36 LEDs. Think of it as the sun, but without the sunburn. ANYCUBIC 4K Plus brags about its upgraded light turbo matrix with high-precision texturing optical lenses. Sounds fancy, right? It's like the Prada of light sources. Just don't expect a catwalk. Let's get sticky with it. Build plates. ELEGOO Mars 4 comes with a laser-carved build plate, promising stronger adhesion. So strong, your prints might need a pry bar to remove. ANYCUBIC 4K+ also has a laser-engraved platform, making sure your 3D models cling on for dear life. It's like glue, but without the mess. Now, slicing software. Because who doesn't love cutting things up digitally? ELEGOO Mars 4 features the Voxel Dance Tango slicing software. It's got 3 printing modes and is open source. Translation: it's like a Swiss Army knife for your 3D prints. ANYCUBIC 4K+ counters with Photon Workshop 3.0. This baby's got slicing, punching, support adding, and model repairing. It's basically the Chuck Norris of slicing software. Printing tips and after-sales service, because we all need a little help sometimes. ELEGOO Mars 4 offers a year-long warranty, excluding the 9K LCD PFA film and toolkit. It's like saying, we got you covered, except for all the important stuff. ANYCUBIC 4K+ doesn't explicitly mention a warranty, but they do recommend matching the right printing parameters with different resins. It's like they're saying, hey, it's your problem now. Overall, reviewers appreciate the ELEGOO Mars 4 for its high-quality prints and versatility, despite some frustrations with the instruction manual. On the other hand, the ANYCUBIC 4K+ is praised for being easy to set up and producing detailed prints, although it has some minor issues with auto-leveling and the VAT. So there you have it. ELEGOO Mars 4 versus ANYCUBIC 4K+. Both are awesome in their own ways, but it's up to you to decide which one fits your needs and budget. Whether you're Team ELEGOO or Team ANYCUBIC, just remember, print responsibly, and may your models be ever in your favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart.